What's the meaning of cookware? Cookware. Cookware.
Cookware. Cookware. Cookware refers to the various types of cooking vessels, pans, and pots used for preparing food on a stove or in an oven. These utensils can be made from a variety of materials, such as aluminum, ceramic, stainless steel, and cast iron. They come in different sizes and shapes, and are designed to perform specific cooking tasks. Cookware is essential in creating delicious and flavorful meals, as each piece has its own unique benefits and uses. Ultimately, high-quality cookware can greatly enhance the cooking experience and produce better results.